There's a massive pump over $69,000. Bitcoin is going crazy. I just did this video. Okay, can you leverage trade small amounts of money? And look at this. Okay, 222%. But the problem is what we just discussed in the video I'm about to play for you, okay, is the dollar amounts. This one is not bad, $56. Let's take a look. So the whole idea of this video is trading small amounts, and I was about to shut the video off, and then it exploded. Okay, so I guess trading small amounts like this, you can, but it's more difficult. This is 265% now. But again, the disgusting part of this is that you put so little in the trade, you only made $19. Let me go ahead now. I want to show you the end. Let me show you the beginning. So this is a tragic waste of 400% because of the low dollar amounts. This was a little guy, okay? Let me show you. It was only about, let's take a look. Okay, $401 in the wallet. Let's go ahead, 435%. 428%. Look at this. Now stay, and I'm going to make the whole point. So I guess that it is true that the little guy can do this and cash in and build his wallet. Let's go ahead and take a minute to look at the back end, and now I'll show you what happened before this. This is actually the end of me showing you the beginning. So the little guy went from, let's get rid of these, $400 to $565. So you can figure out percentage-wise how much he increased his wallet. So can you do this with small amounts of money? Yeah, but it's harder. Links below for this exchange. I like this one for the little guy. Look at that. Absolute crushing. Let's go ahead and get to the video. Oh my God, look at this. I just put an ETH trade. 333%, 329%. But again, not a lot of money in the trade. But look, little guy building the wallet. Again, this is amazing. Look at that percentage. Let's go ahead. And again, we had a $400 wallet, and that was in Tron. Okay, let's go ahead and sell that at market. What a shocker that was. Confirm. That was amazing. Amazing. Useless Tron. Let's go ahead, go back and see that wallet growing. $649. So let's take another shot at it, and then I'll go ahead, and we don't care if we lose this. We'll throw in, do we have it? Oh, no, my BTCs are already for withdrawal. So all we got is that Tron to play with. Let's go ahead and start the video. Now you see what's possible for the little guy. Everybody else, you can just jump out here if you want. But look at this, 40%. The little guy, okay? 55%, 66%. Tell me it's not possible. 60%, 68%. Market close again. Unbelievable. Look at that. Again, wallet building for the little guy. No exchange is easier for this in bull markets or bear markets than Margex. The link is below. This is amazing. Now I'm going to come over here on the Margex exchange. I'm going to hit convert, right? I'm going to take that useless Tron, and I'm going to try to convert that into USDT. $151. Convert. So once again, we previously had $401 in the back end before this little session, and the little guy, which has come close to doubling his wallet. Somebody figure out the percentage gain and put it in the comments. Wow. The next 9 minutes you're about to see are what happened before that explosive move. I had to show you that. It was incredible. It almost negates part of what I'm saying here about trading small, because we almost doubled the wallet. But here you go. Let's go ahead and play this. This happened before what you've just seen. Kind of bizarro. It's like living in Canada. It's almost like the United States, but in a bizarre way. Let's rock. Trading small. I think that trading small is detrimental. If you are sure of direction, you have to go heavier. What if you're the smaller trader? What if you're the $500 baller? Let's say in your account, you have $400. Like this account. I saved this example to teach you this lesson. Look, 31% is a very good gain. It's profitable. So is a 27%. The problem is that you're going to look at this like, oh, it's only $17, and not respect it and want a bigger hit as the profit slips away. Let's look at this one. Okay, this is up 29% right now on the MargX exchange. It's open to everybody. You don't need a VPN or nothing. But again, when you're trading small, it's such little money. This could be thousands of dollars as Bitcoin rockets past 68,000. I linked this exchange below. And what's cool about it is, you see I have Bitcoin and Bitcoin, but one is with Tether and one is with Bitcoin. Both are on cross margin. I want you to keep in mind one thing. A move, be it up or down, only goes for so long on the small time frames. Look, up, and then it starts to come down. You got to get in and out and take that money. When your profit starts to slip, you got to close that. So can you be a $500 trader? Yes, but it's much harder because you're playing with such small amounts. Now, what I would have to do is, again, let's take a look at this. This is the MargX exchange. It's linked under my video. We're up 35%. Let's take a screenshot. Either pin to the first comment or click show more. You'll see MargX here. Okay, you could deposit whatever you have. If you have altcoins, you don't have to convert or anything. You can deposit them here. Now again, it only goes up and down. Look, now you're only up 32%. You're gonna want to go and be like, oh, I want to get 100%. I want to get more money. See, big percentage, little money. It's, so you have to find the right trade size for you. The smartest thing here is to close that. The smartest thing is to close that and find an entry and go again. All right, so that little guy, I mean, they were good percentages, but let's go to the wallet. What was it before? Hold on. 401. It's 426. I mean, all that work and everything to trade such small amounts. So, never copy trade. So I have two wallets that have money in here primarily. USDT, okay, and I have Bitcoin. So in order to make these any decent amounts of money, okay, I mean, I would have to go crazy. Where are we at? It's such a high number. It's so crazy to do it now. Where are we in the cycle? Direction is clearly long. Oh, we're at the bottom of the cycle. Oh, here we're at the top. Let's go ahead. You can't short here. All right. So let me just go ahead and throw them in. So if you trade conservatively with small money, you're going to really get spit on. You're going to really get dust. So you got to put like half your wallet in the trade, and you got to be on cross. Never use isolated. You'd be liquidated at 100x right away. If you use lower leverage, you're going to get nowhere. Okay, so you got to put high leverage and high dollar amount in trade. It's going to be a little tougher. All right. I'm going to leave that here for now. I'm going to keep it short to the point. So find your trade size. It has to be an amount that, hey, if you got 40% or 50%, it's worthwhile. Be it a couple of hundred or a couple of thousand, right? I love that sound. Is that cool? So that's like more than half of this USDT wallet in here going long. Look, see? So that's how you'd have to play this. There's a BTC wallet too. Again, a small amount of money. We're playing with a $500 wallet here. So I would go like that. Now, I'm not telling you to do this, and these will fight whatever. But I'm just showing you. It's the green button for long, the red button for short. The links are below the video. Look at the pump incoming. Look at that. We're on a 1 minute. That's why it looks a little crazy. Now, if you only have, let's say, a USDT wallet and all the money is in there, okay? Well, wow, we can go to 69,000. This is exciting. And all the money is in there. I would not open more than one currency. Focus on trading just Bitcoin or just Ethereum, whatever. It's a simple exchange. Okay, you can go to wallet. All right, you can buy crypto here, whatever. I never did that. Okay, deposit anything you like. You can trade with whatever you deposit. Each one is its own wallet. That's what makes MargX unique. It does have new owners from years ago. Okay, but the truth is, I'm going to tell you straight, with smaller amounts of capital, it is harder. to make real amounts of money. So everyone needs a chance, an opportunity, a hand up, not a handout. And I always felt crypto offered us that hand up. And that's why I like to actually do and teach in my videos. Now, I don't care about this amount of money. So that gives you a certain resiliency. These could be down 80%. I won't care. Which is the magic of it. You have to believe in direction like a religion. Forget temporarily being down. You look at the 6 hour. Move it here. That's green, strong direction to long. Supported by the 1 hour, massive, strong direction to long. There is no red army in sight. You drop to the 3 minute. Again, massive, long, clear direction. Here, ideally, you'd want to look for a dump if there was. If not, you got to make the decisions. This is what I teach in the Discord and consultation link below. We could see new all-time highs. Look at this. I knew a woman. Her name was Pandora. Okay? She traded with small amounts. She did it with a website, a spreadsheet and everything. Let's take a look. I was searching for the Pandora link. I couldn't find it, but she's out there. She did spreadsheets and everything. If you could do 3 trades a day and just get 30%, how you can build an empire. So trade size is a highly personal thing, but you could understand that it only goes up and down, and we trade in the moment when we trade at 100x. So it's much harder trading with a small wallet, but it can be done. And I'll tell you, I have some dust, it's hide empty ones. You can open as many multiple wallets. If you had Tron, you can go ahead and use Tron to long Ethereum like this. Only this exchange shows you how to do this, will allow you to do this. You've seen what we just did before this. Okay, using that little bit of Tron to long Ethereum, we turned that into like $100 for the little guy. Nobody can show you this. Rewind the beginning if you missed it. Action-packed, massive movements. That's a separate cross-leverage wallet and trade that just got dropped in there along on Ethereum. Okay, so can you trade small? Yeah, but you've seen it's just much harder. Okay, hold it, Oracle. We're at $70,000. This is amazing. I don't know if there was news or anything, but this is unheard of. This is amazing. Congratulations to everyone. All right, well, let's continue on to win real money. You can be a percentage hero, but we're all here for real money, are we not? Links are below the video. Find your trade size. Find your position. This is critical. Critical thinking, tactical warfare. War on the 1 minute chart. This is the Margex exchange. I linked several below based on how easy they are to beat. Margex is linked right at the top. How they are to play. Hold on, shut up, Oracle. The video's gone on long enough. You've seen what happened. You've seen the results. This little account almost doubled its money. Okay? It just went nuts. Okay? Unbelievable. Go back and rewind the beginning. Unreal. Epic. Okay? For the little guy. Boom. The Oracle. Out. War on the 1 minute chart. No technical analysis. No buying the dip. No holding. Come in. Back up the truck. Take the money and go. Boom.